Saving time with Oracle clips.
Let's jump into another bite-sized video clip about Podman. A container image is a read-only template that is used to generate a container. The image contains all the requirements for a service or application to run. In this clip, we will look at using Podman to search container registries to find images for creating containers. First, let's make a simple search using Podman for image names with Oracle in the title, and specify to search in the Oracle Container Registry for any images matching this. Now let's do the same search without specifying the container registry address. We got results from two container registries because when Podman was installed using an Oracle Container Tools package, a Registries.conf file was configured with two default container registry addresses set. Here we see the contents of the Registries.conf file with the cat command. The file is located in the /etc/containers directory. Scrolling up, these are the two entries added during the Container Tools package installation. By default, any unqualified search, one that does not specify a registry to use, will result in any configured registries in the conf file being searched. Search results are limited to 25 from each registry searched. We can change the number returned by adding the option --limit and the number we want. Here we limit the results to only 10. We search again, list only the first 5 entries, but also show additional columns showing star rating, official status, and automated information. We add the option --compatible. Now we look for Oracle Linux images, but this time we want to see the tags identifying the image versions. For this we use the --list--tags option. Again, the result is limited to 25. To see more, we increase the --limit option again, now to 50. We use grep to filter the list of results to show those with the number 8 in the tag. But note that if our return limit is not big enough, we may still not see all the possible versions. Let's change to find images with 9 in the tag. As we see here, images are tagged to enable you to identify different releases and versions of the same image. Often an image might include a tag of latest. Oracle Linux images don't use this tag. Oracle uses a slim or release number tag instead. You can read more about how Oracle tags its images in the video description. If we want to specifically search for images with official status, we add the option -f equals is-official to the search. And to add a column showing the official status, we add the --compatible option again. Of course, we can limit the results even further with the --limit option. So that's a quick look at some of the Podman options for searching for container images. There are many more options for this command that are worth taking time to investigate.
You can see more clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to always get the latest.